When installing on a Freightliner Cascadia with the Aerodynamics package, it is important to know that the side panels can be easily removed to allow for more mounting options. The step panel and battery panel can be removed via release levers located behind the steps. The rear side panel is attached with 6 bolts and can be easily detached. Place this panel face down on a padded surface to attach XTL strips. Determine the best location to mount each XTL strip. Measure the application area to ensure a proper fit. Thoroughly clean the surface of the application area. Apply the included 3M tape to the full length of the XTL strip. Ensure that the 3M tape is applied to the black side of the XTL strip. Press the XTL strip firmly onto the application area surface. Where possible, bundle wires or secure them to internal structures with zip ties. Test the XTL strip with a light tester to ensure proper effect. Repeat the previous steps for each additional XTL strip. Determine the best routes along the vehicle interior to run leads. Where possible, bundle wires or secure them to internal structures with zip ties.